day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I have some honey mail. So I have no idea what it is. So y'all gonna see me open it and you're gonna find out just like I will. Okay. It's from Rosa. And it says open me first. So I guess she wants me to read the letter first. I guess that's a letter. Okay, I'll try to get it out of here without tearing it up. Oh no. Open me first. So it's not a letter. So it was only one box. So I hope nothing got lost at the post office. My honey sure know how to tape up some boxes. Oh my goodness. Well, I guess with my post office, you better know how. There's nothing on that side. I'm not sure. Ouch. Okay. Got a letter. Dear MzBrazell. Okay, if you read this on YouTube, just say my first name, Rosa. Okay. Poor ties. Food ties. Okay. She's looking forward to my honey's mail chit-chat video. Take care, Rosa. Okay, she's basically telling me about some 4-in-1 shears that have a sharp edge on one of the blades. That is for opening packages, like boxes and things. Always use the protective cover. Also, these shears are food grade and can be used on protein or vegetables or what have you. Basically, you would use these shears in place of scissors. One can be right or left-handed, I think. In other words, it's doable. I hope you find some use for the food ties. If unable to use, please feel free to mail back. I don't know anything about return postage. Also, it doesn't have to be food related. Well, that is all. Look forward to your honey's mail chit-chat video. Take care, Rosa. Okay. What's this? Okay. Oh my goodness. Look at these, y'all. Just cut a lot of chicken wings, y'all. And I just bought some slabs. I cut the slabs. It looks like they're cut through bone. It has a little lock on here. Slide that down to lock it. And what's that? I have to read about it. This is something. It does something. It has a cover. And that's the hook on it. It's supposed to open packages and stuff. Is that for me?
No.
Okay. I'm filming. And here are the instructions. KUH. Are you clowning for the camera?
I ain't clowning.
And you look raggedy today.
I don't look raggedy.
You do look raggedy. Now, you ain't got nothing else. They ain't sending you nothing else because you don't know how to act.
Right.
These are precision-made shears. They will allow you to do any household job with ease, whether in the kitchen, garage, craft room, or garden. You know what? I just bought something that's going to need some heavy-duty shears to cut them with. Oh, these shears are also equipped with a bottle opener. I guess that's, I don't know. Is that a bottle opener? Don't have no picture on this paper. Okay. To use the bottle opener, hold shears and place metal tab at the top of the loop handle. Like that. Under the inside of the bottle cap. Oh, I know. Place top of notch on bottle cap for leverage. Lift up and forward to remove bottle cap. My brother used to use his teeth to open up beer bottles and stuff, and pop bottles. I don't even know if they make bottles that got to be opened with a bottle opener. I don't know. I think this goes on top of the can, and then you put this up under the lip of the cap, and then just pop it open. Now, what's this little hook here? Oh, to use the box cutter, lock the shears. Okay, they're locked. Hold by loop handle and use sharpened tip of shears on the loop side to cut along tape or packaging to open. To open for pull top cans. Oh yeah, because I don't like opening pull top cans. It mess up my fingernails. Place hook at base of handle, under and through. Pull, tab, loop. Place hook at base of handle. Okay, this is the hook at the base of this handle. Okay? All right. I had to visualize what they were saying. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay. I'll be using that. Using care. Hand wash. They keep warning that the blades and the tip are sharp. Use caution when handling. Okay. And it has a warranty. 10-year warranty. Oh my goodness. Wait a minute. No, you're talking about something else. Oh, it's a 2-year warranty for these. We're talking about their pan bodies and handles. We're talking about the pressure cookers. Got 10-year warranty. So this is the Recon. And I know I butchered the name. It's from Switzerland. Oh my goodness, thank you so much, Rosa. Okay, now what's this? Boot ties. Look at these little things. They look almost like them little barrettes I used to put on my girls' hair. You got 3 different sizes, small, medium, and some large ones. Let me read this. I was thinking about something like this the other day when I was in the store. So I need something to loop across my purse handle onto the shopping cart. I start bringing one of these with me. Because those shopping cart seat belts, sometimes they're broken. They don't always work. One time I couldn't hardly get my purse unattached from it. Okay, I'm trying to hear some instructions. Okay, Cook's Essentials. Set of 22 silicone food ties. Okay. Plastic rings. Got the plastic rings on each set. 3 different sizes. Will not crack or distort. Easy to clean. Non-stick. Dishwasher safe. Oven safe. Microwave safe. Withstands a temperature of 40 below degrees Fahrenheit up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, do not place the set of 22 silicone food ties under or over direct heat on a hot stove top or under a grill. So these cannot be put in the air fryer because that's direct heat shining down. Okay, I'm going to see exactly how to use these. Okay, I have to read up on this. But it's by Cook's Essentials. And they make good stuff. I want to thank you. Thank you so much, Rosa. And she didn't even put the last name on the box, but I think I know who it is. I think I know the last name. Sometimes I look at y'all's comments so much, I know who you are. I want to thank you. I'm going to find out exactly how to use these, and I will be using them. I know one thing I'm going to do with them, whether they're supposed to be used that way or not. I got to buy 2 more cushions for my wrought iron benches outside. You know, the pretty decorative pillow cushions. And I'm going to loop these so the wind don't blow the cushion away. So I'll probably use the smaller one. I'm going to find some use for it. I really appreciate this, for real, for real, for real. Thank you so much. I mean, it's like Christmas every couple of days in my house. I'm opening something. Oh my goodness, I got the best honeys in the world. I thank you. I thank you so much. So I'm trying to get a thumbnail. I'll just hold up these. Okay. You all, thumbs up. Nice comment. Have a blessed day. Thank you very much for watching. Okay. Be blessed. I'm gone.